Interrogative sentences. What is your name? My name is Smriti. Where are you from? I am from France. Where do you live? I live in Paris. How old are you? I am 20 years old. What is your phone number? My phone number is XXXX. What do you do? I am a teacher. Which school do you work for? I work for New Preschool. Are you married? Yes, I am married. No, I am single. What's your favorite food? My favorite food is salad. Why are you studying English? I love learning new languages. What's your hobby? I like cooking. Can I help you? No, thanks. Yes, please. How are you feeling? I am feeling sleepy. How was your day? Really good. Thank you.